Material efficiency and the value of water are two important topics for everyone. And according to the International Energy Agency Sustainable Development Scenario, improvement in material efficiency is vital to reach future sustainability goals. The United Nations have also set up Sustainable Development Goals for 2030, and here valuing water is an important improvement area, and water as an input to production is a crucial part of this work. Every year, manufacturing industry wastes large amount of water and industrial fluids, and improvement in these areas can be an important part of building our circular economy. Here, Alfa Laval, together with you, working in the manufacturing industry, can make a huge difference. Hi, I'm Lina Florwald, and I work within Business Unit Energy Separation. And today I'm going to talk about how our separation technology is more relevant than ever, and how we, in simple ways, can support the reduction of our environmental footprint. And there is much to save. Every year, Alfa Laval separators make sure of that. They help reduce the need of exchanging industrial fluids by 75% when they operate in factories. And with different technologies like disc stack separators, decanters, and evaporator, it is possible to separate waste from valuable materials in a wide range of applications. For example, recycling of industrial wastewater or recovery of lubricants in the manufacturing industry. Today I will focus on water-based separation, a task easily managed by our Alfi and Alfa Pure disc stack separator modules. But let's start from the beginning. With water-based separation, our separator range makes sure that you remove contaminants like particles or oil out of water-based liquids. Water-based liquids can be coolants that are used for cutting tool for stainless steel, or it can be wash liquids used to degrease the steel surface to ensure that the customer have a clean and high quality product. In these applications, separation will save money, improve product quality, and reduce downtime. And separation will also contribute to waste reduction, which has a very positive sustainability effect. There are millions of manufacturing plants throughout the world that doesn't seize the opportunity to save money and decrease the environmental footprint. Alfa Laval separation technologies work with a range of fluids, but today we are highlighting water-based separation for industrial fluids. Let's look at a success case, Autocompo in Eskilstuna. In this factory, Autocompo produces stainless steel of high quality, and a part of the process is degreasing the stainless steel surface, and in this step they had problems with oil contaminating the wash liquid, which led to several hours of production stop every week. And today, to solve this issue, they have an Alfa Pure separator module. On this plug-and-play module, a disc stack separator operates and separates the heavy water phase from the light oil phase, the contamination. It also removes solids. Let's hear from Autocompo.
Hej, jag heter Patrik Roback, jobbar på Autocompo i Torslanda som automationsingenjör. Jag har varit delaktig och drivit ett projekt där vi har förbättrat vår avfettningsanläggning där vi har haft problem med avfettningsvätskan. I vår färdiglugnslinje där vi processar vårt material så har vi en avfettningsutrustning som tar bort oljan från vårt materials yta. Och där fick vi då tidigare ett problem med att oljan inte försvann ifrån vår vätska då, utan att det blev som etsningar på materialet då. Så vi var tvungna att varje vecka då stanna vår process, tömma det här badet, som tog cirka 5 timmar då. Fylla på med nytt då för att kunna starta produktionen igen. Vi hörde av oss till Alfa Laval och fick tips om att de hade en oljeseparator som kunde hjälpa oss då med att lösa våra problem då. Efter att vi kontaktade Alfa Laval och fick in våran oljeseparator i avfettningsanläggningen så kan vi numera då köra mellan våra planerade underhållsstopp som är var 6:e vecka, och vi har inga mera problem med vår produktion och får bort den oljan som då kontaminerade det här avfettningsvätskan. Summan av det här är att vi då inte behöver stanna, vi behöver inte ha någon avfettningsvätska, någon kemikalie i för att få rent våra band, utan att vi kan ha full produktion mellan våra planerade underhållsstopp.
And the big sustainability improvement has also been that due to less scrap, due to better quality, the carbon dioxide has decreased by 100 tons.
Let's sum up the main customer and environmental benefits. Quality improvements are noticeable since etchings on the steel from oil burning and solids are eliminated. Production uptime is significantly increased from downtime every week to scheduled maintenance every 6 weeks. And removing this step has also been a bottleneck for delivery. Cleaning chemicals are no longer needed. Transport and destruction waste of oil and water is reduced. We recycle liquids and remove the need of chemicals, which reduces the environmental impact to a minimum. Did you know that in this case we have calculated a payback time for the Alfa Pure S7 investment based on production uptime to be significantly shorter than 1 year? And when we only base it on sustainability, for example less destruction and recovery of degreasing fluid, it gives a payback time of less than 2 years. This is a win-win for our customer, Alfa Laval, and the environment. Welcome to Alfa Laval. We are a partner that solves today's challenges with the future in mind. My name is Lina Florwald, and I'm looking forward to hear from you.